back again with more bats, and let's say keep them coming. But new range of bats from SS, and oh boy, every bat is special, piece by piece. I'll take you through the bats. Beautiful, beautiful bats today we've got from SS. I will start with this one. This is the Johnny Bairstow Player Bat. Check out the profile of the bat, really high spine, filled bat around the toe also. Check out the grains, how clean the face is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grains on this one. Ruler straight, absolutely proportionate. Now check out the other specs. This is an 1148 gram bat, 40 mm of edges and oval handle. So this is as good as it can get. Beautiful, beautiful bat, really nice profile, oval handle. This is 1148 grams. This is feather light. Hard to, this shows how good the bats are pressed, how low tensile the willow is. Getting all these specs at 1148 is something crazy. And the stickering is top notch, really, really premium. 1145 is what's written here. So this is a crazy good bat. Bat number 2 is a reserve edition grade 1 bat. Again, one of the iconic bats from SS. Same sticker as the Johnny Bairstow Player Bat. Coming to the grains, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grains on this one. Again, I'll show you the profile. Similar profile to Johnny Bairstow, and again crazy. This is 1100 grams and oval handle, so you can't beat that. The premium English willow bats at 1100 grams. Again oval handle, picks up at around 1100 only. And again filled bat. If you see at 1100 grams, there's not much concaving. The bat is still very filled. Nice edges. These are decent 39 mm edges. Again, check out the toe size, very decent toe, in fact really good size toe, and very clean face as well. So it's a really nice bat at 1100 grams. This should move really fast. It should fly off right away. So this is bat number 2. Bat number 3 is another reserve edition. This is a darker willow, so it'll open up really fast. Really nice willow. If you see the willow, this is really nice willow. Coming to the grains, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, absolutely straight. Check out the specs now. This is a 44 mm monster. Check out how filled the bat is, and the shape also. Check out the shape. This never ends. It's really high here, the spine, and the toe, even in the lower part edges, are really big. Huge 44 mm edges. And the shape, it's very really like the spine, it just goes and meets the toe and it never ends. So really nice shape, this one at 44 mm, and at 44 mm this is 1200 grams. This picks up at around 1190. The balance is superb. Really nice face. Again, check out the monster of a toe here. Another crazy piece we've got. I told you every piece is special, every piece is superb by all means. Bat number 4, Ellie. I love these stickers, one of the best stickers. So this is grade 1 again from SS, Ellie, Heartwood. Coming to grains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 grains on this one. Again, check out how nice the bat is made. Huge edges here again. Show you the profile. Check out how filled the bat is. 42 mm edges. I'm glad to see the specs. Check out this, guys. 42 mm specs. Huge profile at 1155 grams. Check out this toe. So grade 1 bat, SS LE, 1155 grams for a 42 mm bat. Crazy. And last but not the least is another grade 1 bat. This is the Ton Retro Supreme. So this is again a grade 1 bat. Again, very nice face. Check out the edge grains here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. This picks up like anything. And again 11-20 grams. So all these bats are feather light. Check out the toe here and check out the edges here. Check out the profile. So at 11-20 grams, again a superb bat. So this is it, guys. These are the 5 top-notch grade 1 and player grade bats we've got today. All imagine a spec like Ellie at 1155 grams. Johnny Bairstow was 1148 with 40 mm edges and all. This reserve edition is 1100 grams oval handle. So you can pick any of these. The other reserve edition at 44 mm with 1200 grams. Superb bat. Check out the profile. Superb. So this is it, guys. I won't take much of your time, but I'm really happy to show you these bats. Every bat is special. Do DM for details, and we're shipping worldwide. Thanks and cheers.